Welcome to our channel. Watching Apple TV Plus on your Samsung Smart TV gives you access to award-winning original content. Step 1. Turn on your Samsung Smart TV and ensure it's connected to your home Wi-Fi network. Step 2. Press the home button on your Samsung remote to access the Smart Hub. Step 3. Navigate to the Apps section in the Smart Hub menu. Step 4. Search for Apple TV using the search function in the App Store. Step 5. Select the Apple TV app from the search results and click Install or Download. Step 6. Wait for the Apple TV app to download and install on your Samsung TV. Step 7. Once installed, open the Apple TV app from your apps list or home screen. Step 8. On the welcome screen, select the option to sign in with your Apple ID. Step 9. Enter your Apple ID email address and password using the on-screen keyboard. Step 10. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, enter the verification code sent to your trusted device. Step 11. Once signed in, the app will display all available Apple TV Plus content along with other Apple TV channels. Step 12. Browse the Apple TV Plus library and select any show or movie to start streaming. Step 13. If you're not yet a subscriber, you can start a free trial or subscribe directly through the app. Your Apple TV Plus is now ready to stream on your Samsung Smart TV. Enjoy exclusive shows and movies. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.